and gender is real, but many Yoruba people do not want to accept the truth to endorse and support its self-determination. They are looking at the ambition of Tinubu that only have one life. Yoruba have been existing for more than 14,000 years, according to Professor Adebanji Akintoye, the leader of the national movement of the Yoruba nation. According to general beliefs and custom, and we do not show themselves any sign of willingness to unite. Since 1960, we have failed to unite, and I do not see any reason why we will unite since we have different people. We are not one, and we can never be one. The Yorubas are one people, one culture, one language. The Igbo people are one people, one culture, one language. The Hausas are one people, one language, one culture, and the rest of those indigenous people. Should we not like to break up Nigeria, many lives will be lost before 20.